Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video I want to show you the relatively new DYS Samguk motor series. At least two models of them that I could order. Most of them were already sold out when I was online at Banggood. They arrived a few weeks ago, but I didn't find the time to make a video, so now I think before I put them on a build I have to record. So I'm sitting here now. Okay, well, first to mention, they are really cheap motors. 8 euros or about 10 US dollars is quite a price. For me personally, budget parts are still important because I crash a lot and still destroy a lot of things, so budget parts always help me to keep myself in the air, and the better they get, the more benefit I have, I think. So, what to mention about these motors? First of all, I think design-wise they look really nice. This is the 2207 model with 2300 kV. It's called Way, and the red one is the 2306 model with 2500 kV, and this is called Shu. I personally like the design of this one better than this one, so I really don't know which one of those I will put on my future or my next build, but we will see. I will do a follow-up on these motors, how they perform, together with a follow-up video from of a frame I will review in the future. So then we have two in one, and we get all the information we want. Okay, regarding these motors, what should I mention? First of all, they are bottomless. Hollow shaft, it's nice. The bell is secured with a standard C-clip, not a screw mount. We don't have arc magnets, but still I can feel, I don't know, the rustering of the bell. So I think they might perform quite well. The distance between the stator and the magnets is not that tiny, but it's not that big also, so I'm very excited to try these motors. What else to mention? The windings are quite nice. All we think about the price, so I wouldn't complain about them. The strands are not the thickest ones, but I think they will do their job. What shall I else mention? Well, we can compare the bottom side to a more expensive motor. This one is the Sumax Innovation 2207. It's a $25 motor. This is a $10 motor. I think you can see the difference. You can see the difference in the distance from the magnets to the stator. So I think the quality differences are obvious. I don't know if this is worth costing $25, because we destroy it anyway, but I like this motor. So hopefully this one will perform similar to that, and then I think we have a winner. So what else is important? We have quite long strands. I measured them out at 155 millimeters, so I think it's enough space for even 6-inch or 7-inch builds with a 4-in-1 AC. We shall weigh them, I think, because weight is always a very important factor in our hobby. Let's put out the scale. Oops. Put it on. Zero it out. And see what the 2207 model weighs. Just organizing the wires that they don't dangle around. Okay, let's see. 34.8, okay, or 0.9 almost. That's quite a hefty motor, I think. Almost 35 grams. You always have to multiply this by 4 for your copter, so this is only 140 grams for the motors. That's quite something. Let's weigh the bigger brother. This one should weigh a little bit more. So, okay, organizing the wires. 33.96. So the bigger motor is lighter than the smaller motor. Okay. I don't know why this is, but it's like that. Just for comparison, the Samguk 2207 motor is weighing 30.8, so it's 4 grams lighter than the 2207 Samguk. Always multiply that by 4. It's about 16 grams you save with a higher quality motor, but you spend also about 60 bucks more for the 4 motors, so it's always a trade-off, huh? I really like budget parts, so that's why I reviewed these. I hope I gave you all the information you need to make your own opinion. If you want to know anything else about these motors, please put it in the comment section. Any other suggestions too. I thank you for watching the video. Hope you tune in the next time I post something. And then always happy flying and a big pack of full lipos. So, see you next time. Bye!